incredibly strong and durable. Yet at the same time, it is much lighter, making these our lightest Pro models ever. You'll feel it as soon as you pick it up. Titanium is just beautiful. It feels fantastic with the new contoured edges, and we're also introducing the thinnest borders ever on an iPhone. This enabled us to reduce iPhone dimensions without affecting the display size. In addition to the strength of titanium, iPhone 15 Pro has the toughest glass-based materials in the industry, including the ceramic shield front. And there are two great display sizes to choose from: 6.1 inches for iPhone 15 Pro and 6.7 inches for iPhone 15 Pro Max. To tell you more about this incredible titanium design, here's Isabel.
For iPhone 15, the new enclosure uses grade 5 titanium, an alloy that has even higher tensile strength and blasting. And while anodizing is commonly used on titanium, we chose to use a PVD coating as added protection while introducing color. These Apple-designed coatings are engineered with nanometer precision and take up to 14 hours to complete, resulting in 4 gorgeous finishes. Black titanium and white titanium beautifully harmonize with the back glass. Blue titanium highlights the material's elegance, and natural titanium celebrates its raw metallic nature. There is also a new internal chassis architecture that makes iPhone more repairable, thanks to a new structural frame that allows the back glass to be easily replaced. The entire aluminum substructure is made with 100% recycled aluminum, a first for iPhone, contributing to the overall increase in recycled materials as we work toward our 2030 goals. Now, back to Jaws.
There's another design change for iPhone 15 Pro that we're really excited about. From the very first iPhone, we've had the Ring Silent switch, a quick and easy way to mute iPhone sounds. We wanted to make this even better. So with iPhone 15 Pro, we are reinventing the experience with a customizable action button. By default, it's still a simple Ring Silent switch. To toggle between Ring and Silent, you simply press and hold the button to confirm your intent. You also feel a distinctive haptic feedback for each state. And you can choose from a set of actions and easily switch between them. For example, with a simple press, you can start voice memos to quickly record a new idea, or launch camera to capture that important moment. Activate a favorite accessibility feature like live speech, or you can use shortcuts to open up an even wider set of options, from simply launching your favorite app to running your own custom shortcuts. The action button delivers even more convenience and versatility to the iPhone experience. And every interaction gives you visual feedback with the dynamic island on the advanced Pro display of iPhone 15 Pro. In addition to the innovative dynamic island, the Super Retina XDR display also provides the smooth Pro camera system is a big reason why users choose our Pro models. iPhone 15 Pro has our best camera system yet. Users will get even better photos and videos, powerful new features, and the equivalent of 7 camera lenses in their pocket. To tell you how we achieve this, here's Misha.
Since the 3x telephoto camera at 77mm focal length, ideal for classic portraiture. For iPhone 15 Pro Max, we're using the extra size of the larger iPhone to introduce something unique, our longest optical zoom yet. 5x optical zoom at 120mm focal length. We designed a state-of-the-art telephoto camera. Compared to iPhone 14 Pro Max, it has a 25% larger sensor, 100% focus pixels, and an f2.8 aperture, the largest of any smartphone at this optical range. 120mm is a very useful focal length, great for close-ups, wildlife photos, and getting closer to the sports action. 120mm lenses are typically long, so instead, we created an innovative tetraprism design built right into iPhone. The light rays are reflected 4 times through the glass structure, allowing the light to travel for longer in a much smaller design. This creates enough separation between the lens and the sensor to enable the longer focal length. And we have our most advanced stabilization yet, a combined OIS and autofocus 3D sensor shift module that moves in all 3 directions, a first for any smartphone. This was critical to support the tetraprism design. It provides even better stabilization with up to 10,000 micro adjustments per second. That's twice as many as iPhone 14 Pro. This longer focal length gives Pro users a brand new creative option. The ultra-wide camera is also improved with a new
capture with a smartphone. The precious memories we used it with a new, beautiful, strong, and lighter titanium design, as well as next-level performance from the A17 Pro, a convenient and customizable action button, and our most pro camera system for our best photos and videos ever, including next-generation portraits and our longest optical zoom on iPhone 15 Pro Max, all while still providing great all-day battery life. The iPhone 15 Pro will start at the same price as last year, $999. An iPhone 15 Pro Max featuring the new 5x telephoto camera will start at iPhone